Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we dive deep, compare products, and help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're pitting two titans of the 3D printing world against each other, the ELEGOO Mars 4 and the ELEGOO Saturn 312 KMSLA. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. On the left, we've got the ELEGOO Mars 4, coming in at a wallet-friendly $309. On the right, we have the ELEGOO Saturn 3, priced at $399. Now, that's a $90 difference. With that extra cash, you could buy a year's supply of ramen noodles or a really fancy coffee maker. So if you're on a budget, Mars 4 is your buddy. But if you're feeling like a high roller, Saturn 3 might just be worth the splurge. Let's see why. Next up, the LCD screen. Mars 4 boasts a 7-inch 9K mono LCD screen with a resolution of 8,520*4320. That's like watching your favorite soap opera in high definition. But Saturn 3 laughs in the face of 9K with a 10-inch 12K mono LCD screen and a resolution of 11,520*5120. It's so sharp you might cut yourself just looking at it. And with a 9H hardness tempered film, it's tougher than a $2 steak. Reviewers have praised Saturn 3 for its stunning print quality, thanks to its superior screen. Let's shine a light on the light sources. Mars 4 has a COBUV light source with 36 LEDs. It's like having 36 little suns working together to make your prints perfect. But Saturn 3 takes it up a notch with a COB plus FCLS light source and Fresnel collimating lens. The light uniformity is over 92%. It's basically the Superman of light sources, minus the cape. Users have noted that Saturn 3's advanced light source significantly improves print quality. Now, size matters, right? Mars 4 has a decent print size, but Saturn 3's printing volume is like a skyscraper compared to a bungalow. We're talking 218.88 millimeters, 122.88 millimeters, 250 milliamp. You could print a mini Eiffel Tower with that kind of space. Dual linear guideways make the Z-axis run quieter and more stable than a ninja tiptoeing through a library. Reviewers love the large build volume of Saturn 3, which allows for more ambitious projects. Both printers come with the VoxelDance Tango slicing software, offering 3 printing modes: static, dynamic, and high speed. But let's be real. Who has time for static mode when you can go full speed ahead? It's like having a sports car and driving it like a grandma. Both printers also support the open-source GOO slice format, so you're not stuck with just one software. Users appreciate the flexibility and efficiency offered by the slicing software on both models. Let's talk adhesion. Mars 4 has an upgraded laser-carved build plate, providing stronger adhesion than a toddler with their favorite toy. Saturn 3, on the other hand, also sports a laser-carved platform, but with a super strong adhesion that practically guarantees a higher printing success rate. It's like comparing duct tape to super glue. Both stick, but one just does it better. Reviews highlight the reliability of Saturn 3's build plate in ensuring successful prints. Both Mars 4 and Saturn 3 offer great after-sales service, with a promise to reply within 24 hours. It's like having a tech-savvy friend who's always there to bail you out of trouble. Plus, both offer a 1-year warranty, excluding the LCD and a few other bits. But hey, You can't have everything. Reviewers have generally been pleased with the customer service for both models, though there have been occasional complaints about response times for Saturn III. Reviewers generally appreciate the ELEGOO Mars 4 for its affordability and reliable performance, making it a great choice for hobbyists and beginners. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Saturn 312km SLA is praised for its advanced features and superior print quality, catering to more serious enthusiasts and professionals. Some users have reported occasional issues with the Saturn III, but its overall performance and customer support have been well received. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Mars 4 and the ELEGOO Saturn 312km SLA, two beasts of the 3D printing world. Mars 4 is the budget-friendly, reliable buddy, while Saturn 3 is the high-tech, larger-than-life showstopper. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another epic showdown on Buy Smart. Until next time, keep printing smart and stay savvy. Product links are in the description.